There are few hike locations that fully encompass a European Alpine experience as thoroughly and as dramatically as the Italian Dolomites.
Yeah, a lot of times it feels like you're on another world, like you're on Mars or you're walking across the surface of the moon.
It's almost, I'm kind of looking over it now, it's almost like prehistoric.
Literally as far as you can see, there's just amazing views.
Green and lush with lots of flowers.
It sort of reminds me of the Picos de Europa on steroids. You know, it's bigger, it's more, it's just more of everything, I suppose.
Every day it's changing, and that's what I really like.
Traveling by foot through this extraordinary landscape is something truly special. One minute you're walking through these fragrant pine forests, the next these lush green meadows, and then the next you're in these rocky, alpine, almost desert-like landscapes with these huge, epic mountains all around you. It's ever-changing, it's always dramatic, and it's always extraordinarily beautiful.
I think you notice the details. You see the plants, you see the animals, and time slows down. You can disconnect from your phone, you can be in a place and walk slowly and not feel like you have to rush. It's just so different than the real world.
Like any wonderful adventure, there is a beginning, and that generally starts back in the real world, on the phone or on the computer.
Yeah, I booked through UTracks. It's a very easy process.
Yeah, it's definitely easy. I booked it with UTracks just online.
Spent a long time researching it, and UTracks, the price was very competitive. A lot of companies I looked at, you seem to be paying twice as much for practically the same huts.
Also very, very cost effective as compared to other companies which I have evaluated. Very friendly staff. We get a lot of questions answered.
I had to ask a few questions and I sent them an email, and the response was really quick and what to bring was really clear.
So yeah, try them once at least, and you'll be amazed with the kind of experience you have.
This is the real star of the show. This is Oscar, our pack mule. He's been working tirelessly carrying all of our bags for us around these lofty peaks here. So we absolutely love him. He's a true gentleman. But don't worry, his terms of employment are very, very strict.
We do weight, the bags at the beginning of each trip. It's 6 kilos maximum to make sure that the mule won't carry more than 150 kilos, which is never more than 20% of the weight. That allows us to sleep in places where you have no road access, see what is really trekking in the Alps.
It's so desolate and so beautiful, and you can see the mountains for so far. And then you come around a corner and there's a refuge. You're like, how did this thing get here?
The huts are, sited in slightly more remote places, so you're not always guaranteed a plentiful supply of water, but then you sacrifice that with a fantastic view.
Amazing locations, the food is good, the common areas where you can hang out and have fun have been wonderful.
You just can't wait to get to the next one to see what kind of food we're going to have, what kind of bar they have, what kind of sleeping arrangements we have, and it's a lot of fun.
The group pretty much straight away, everyone clicked really well.
The camaraderie is awesome. We just look out for each other.
We are now good friends, and in fact this is my second or third trek with UTracks, and I am in touch with the other groups which I hiked with in the past as well.
We'll go away with being friends for a lifetime.
These are honestly some of the most incredibly beautiful mountains that you'll ever have the privilege of laying your eyes on, but you do have to work for it.
This is very difficult. It's obviously very difficult hiking because you're hiking 6-7 hours a day.
I think that it's been challenging. I wouldn't want to do this if it wasn't. I like a challenge. I like to get to a refuge at night and be tired.
How are we doing back there?
Good. I'm trying to breathe.
It really is not hard enough that it should dissuade somebody who's a fairly decent hiker. You don't need to be a super athlete, but you need to be fit.
So my suggestion to you will be to get yourself to relatively decent level of fitness before you come on this trip, just remember, every thigh burning step gets you closer to the top. When you get to the top, it is all worth it.
And I'm glad I made this choice. It has been amazing. It's very scenic, challenging, and really, really enriching.
It's a place that you need to go in your lifetime, but I feel like the way that we did this, we see less people. You know, you're on the trails, it's not very touristy, you're kind of alone in the Dolomites.
Definitely one of the best things I've done.
I guess I'd just say it's just a wonderful experience. I mean, and we're both about, when we go on vacation, it's all about the experiences, not about people waiting on us hand and foot or, you know, catering to us all the time. It's about having a wonderful experience in a fantastic place, and that's to me what this is.
You should get out here. You know, now's the time.